Hi, I'm Anil Parisar. Today we are going to learn the very famous story Three Questions, written by Leo Tolstoy. He was a very prolific writer and he was famous for his writing all time. Leo Tolstoy wanted to give us a moral lessons to this story. If you see, the form of the story is a parable. Parable is a short story with a moral lesson. Let's start the story. Once upon a time, there was a king. He was very kind, generous, and curious in his life. He wanted to become a perfectionist, and that's why he wanted the answers for his three questions. So he called the all-wise men from his kingdom. All wise people came in the palace. The seated king was on his throne. And then he asked the first question. What is the right time to begin something? Second, which people should he listen? And third, what is the most important thing him to do? The all wise people listened carefully, and then one by one they started to give the suggestion to the king. For the first question, what is the right time to begin something? Some wise people said, prepare timetable. If you have the timetable, then you can do things on right time. Some said, you needed counsel of wise people who gave you the suggestion, advice time to time. And someone says that he should go to the magician, because magician only knows, that what is going to happen, how the common people said. Because magician having the knowledge about the future, and he only could give the answers. Second question, which people should he listen? Some suggested he should listen to counselor's advice because he kept. Second, he should listen priest, because priest, Brahmin, he also having the knowledge about the astrology. He also now having the knowledge about the future. So he must listen the priest. Some said doctors, and some said being a king, he should listen the soldiers. Now, third question. What is the most important thing him to do? Some suggested fighting. Being a king, he should prefer the fight. Some suggested religious worship. Many wise people, many thoughts, many suggestions, many advised, and king frustrated. He was disappointed by all the dissatisfied answers, because he did not get a satisfied answer from the wise people, and then he decided to go to the hermit. The hermit who was living in the woods, who was living alone. He spent his time to worship the God. He was living simple life. He was just far behind from the physical world. King took some soldiers and went to the hermit's hut. He kept the soldiers at the lap of hill, and he just climbed the hill and he went to the hermit's hut. When he reached to the hermit's hut, that time he saw the outside the hermit was digging the land because he wanted to sow the seeds. He went and very politely he asked the three questions to the hermit, but hermit was passive. He was doing his work. Then king just sat down. He waited for the answer. But after that, once again he asked the same three questions. That time also hermit was doing his work. King thought he was a very old man. He was exhausted. He was tired. So I should help him. And that's why the king helped the hermit and he started digging the land. After that, he also helped him to sow the seed. And it was almost evening time. And that time one bad person rushed towards the hermit's hut. Both saw that person was wounded. His stomach was bleeding. There was wound. Somebody stabbed him. He fell down and fainted. King and hermit took him and healed his wound. They wrapped the stomach of this wound. And then they slept that night. In the morning, when king and hermit woke up, that time that bad person also woke up. He looked at the king and he said, "Sir, Majesty, I recognize you. You are king." King surprised. He said that, "How do you know me?" Then he said, "Please forgive me. I came here with a bad purpose. I wanted to kill you." King said, "You wanted to kill me? Why? What's wrong with you?" He said, "Sir, you did wrong with me." He said, "I did wrong? What did I do?" He said that you killed my brother and seized his property, and that's why I wanted to take revenge. I wanted to kill you. And that's why I made a trap. I knew that you were coming to the hermit, and that's why I was hiding behind the bush and I wanted to kill you. But unfortunately, I caught by your soldiers. They followed me and stabbed. But fortunately, I reached here and you saved my life. Please forgive me. I wanted to do a wrong with you, but you saved my life." King smiled and with broad-minded, he forgave him. Now story was going to end it, but yet the king did not get the answers for his three questions, and he just very humbly bowed down to the hermit and said, "Please, sir, give me the answers." That time, hermit said, "King, your first question is, what is the right time to begin something? And I think the answer is, the right time is now. Because if you want to start anything, any work, that time don't wait for the next day or the right time. Right time is now. If you want decided, then start from today, start from now, because it is the right time. Students, if you wanted to start your study, don't wait for the Monday, don't wait for the proper time or proper timetable. Start from today. It is the right time. If you wanted to start exercise, so don't wait for the winter. Isn't it? Because some people say that the winter is a good time for the exercise. But no, for the exercise, every time is proper. So start from today. Yes or no? Second, the hermit said, which people should he listen? So he said that he should listen to the person one with at a particular time. If you want to take advice, then take advice from that person who is with you in that particularly time, situation, because that person only know that what is your situation, what is your problem, and he only give you the proper suggestion, and you should listen to him. Don't go to the others. Many times what's happened, the when people have the problem, that time they don't take advice from their own people, from their family members. They take advice from the others who don't know what is situation you have. So hermit says that if you wanted the give suggestion, wanted to take a suggestion, so take a suggestion from your close ones, near one who knows your situation, your problems. And third one, what is most important thing him to do? So he said the most important thing to do is to do good the persons with you. If you want to do something good, so do good things for your near ones. Because charity begins at home. There is no need to go to the anywhere or outside and make a charity. If you wanted to do something good, so do good for your own people who are close to you, who are near to you. And in this way, the hermit gave the real truth of life, and the king satisfied with the three answers. And I hope so. We also have the three questions in our mind, and we also got a answer, proper answer through this story. So, dear friends, if you want to start anything, so start from today. Start from now. If you want to listen your near one, your parents and your close ones. And if you want to do something, so do something for your close one and near one. I hope so you enjoyed this story and this lecture. If you like, so please like it and share it. Thank you very much and all the best. Thank you.